Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Which international observance was noted on 5th November 2025? World Tsunami Awareness Day. Who inaugurated the Emerging Science, Technology and Innovation Conclave, ESTIC, 2025 in New Delhi? Narendra Modi. Which country's space agency launched the Shenzhou 21 crewed mission for scientific breakthroughs? China. Which Indian state became the first to eliminate extreme poverty by November 2025? Kerala. What is the name of India's first university-led startup Launchpad unveiled on 5th November? Campus Tank. Which institution partnered with Razorpay to enable UPI transactions in Malaysia as reported on 5th November? Nipla. Which river cleaning initiative was flagged off in Varanasi on Kartik Purnima? Namami Gange. Samia Suluhu Hassan was sworn in for a second term as president of which country? Tanzania. Who laid the foundation stone for 635 crore rupees development projects in Assam? Jyotiraditya Scindia. Niti Aayog unveiled a new roadmap for what sector in Gandhinagar, Gujarat? Agriculture. CEOP launched which initiative for young student innovators? Campus Tank. How much financing did ADB approve for Maharashtra solar energy projects in November 2025? $300 million. NHRC issued a notice to which state over bribery allegations involving police officials? Karnataka. Which sports event saw Anvay Dravid, Rahul Dravid's son, excel for India's U19 squad on 5th November? Cricket. What is the estimated annual adaptation bill for developing countries by 2035, according to UNEP? $365 billion. Bulgaria will join the Eurozone and gain ECB voting rights in which year? (2026). Which top global tech firm launched a multi-year partnership with AWS for cloud services in November 2025? OpenAI. Which sector has been capped by SEBI to broaden Nifty index representation in November 2025? Banking. Which Indian company announced a 20,000 crore rupees investment for Andhra Pradesh energy projects in November 2025? Hinduja Group. Which banking service will now allow doorstep digital life certificate submission? EPFO and IPPB. What is the key objective of the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana rooftop solar scheme? $300 units free per month for 1 crore households. Which new species of spider was discovered in Karnataka as reported on 5th November? Pilya Malenadu. Which international agency released Agar 2025 estimating climate adaptation costs? UNEP. What was the age of the world's oldest living Olympic gold medalist Charles Coste, who died in November 2025? 101. Which country's major earthquake on 5th November killed at least 20 and injured nearly 1,000? Afghanistan. Where did PM Modi announce India's leap in research, development and innovation scheme in November 2025? Delhi. Which bank holiday occurred in several Indian states due to Guru Nanak Jayanti on 5th November? 5th November. Which Indian state began a special intensive revision of electoral rolls with BLO verification? Chhattisgarh. What is the focus of Purvodaya plan covered in Budget 2025? Eastern Region Development. Former US Vice President Dick Cheney passed away in November 2025. Which party did he belong to? Republican. What scientific breakthrough is the aim of China's Shenzhou 21 space mission? Scientific research. Nipla partnered with Razorpay for UPI services in which overseas country? Malaysia. Jhiri Mela, highlighted by LG Manoj Sinha, is held annually in which state? Jammu and Kashmir. What is the financial collaboration between Hinduja Group and Andhra Pradesh targeting? Energy. Who was the president inaugurated for the second term in Tanzania? Samia Suluhu Hassan. Niti Aayog's reimagined agriculture roadmap targets which region? Eastern India. Which startup hub was launched for university students in November 2025? Campus tank. What is the focus of the Viksit Bharat by 2047 initiative? Developed India. Who laid foundation for Nest Cluster project in Assam in November 2025? Jyotiraditya Scindia. How much will the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana save annually per household? ₹15,000 to ₹18,000. Which global event did PM Modi highlight India's RDI initiative? ESTIC. Name the banker who joined IPPB for digital life certificates in November 2025. J. Venkat. Who was named in the India U19 Challenger Trophy squad and is related to Rahul Dravid? Anvay Dravid. World Adaptation Report Agar 2025 warned about developing nations facing how much annual climate cost? $365 billion. Which athlete stood out for India in the Asian Youth Games 2025 in Bahrain? Anvay Dravid. Where did Air India's relief flight safely return stranded passengers from? Ulaanbaatar. Name the president re-elected in Tanzania in November 2025. Samia Suluhu Hassan. What natural disaster hit Afghanistan on 5th November, killing dozens? Earthquake. Name the Chinese space mission launched for crew research. Shenzhou 21. India partnered with which country for UPI expansion in November 2025? Malaysia. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.